Assalamu alaikum dear friends. I hope everyone will be fine. Today topic is basics of English grammar. So now I am start. If you just started learning English, you first need to know some basic rules of English language. Developing a solid foundations in English grammar will not only help you create your own sentences correctly but will also make it easier to improve your communication skill in both spoken and written English. Study all the lessons below and incorporate your learning into your speaking and writing. So, I will discuss basic English grammar lessons, singular and plurals. Second, count noun versus non count nouns. Possessive nouns, pronouns, be verbs, action verbs, adjective, comparative and superlative adjective, adverbs, simple tense, progressive and perfect tense, 12 perfect, progressive tense, irregular verbs, gerunds, infinitives 1, infinitive 2, active voice and passive voice, 18, indicative imperative subjective mode. Auxiliary verb be, do, have. Auxiliary verbs will, would, shall, should. Auxiliary verb can, could, may, might, must. Preposition on, at, in. Prepositions of, to, for. Preposition with, our, by. Conjunction coordinating and correlative. 26. Conjunction subordinating conjunctive verbs. 28. Article infinite and definite interjections. 13. Capitalization. So this is to the topics. So thanks for watching.